Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw yesterday the US market were close, but the futures are marginally off, whereas Asian markets are mostly sideways or marginally down. We are seeing some positiveness in steel prices in China. Iron ore is hitting new high, near-term new high, mainly on account of positive indications from the steel production. The steel productions over there has increased in last 15 days, which is boosting the demand for iron ore. And as such, iron ore there is at around $130. So that can have some positive impact on steel companies and specifically pellet exporters. Uh, Apart from that, the oil is flat and so seems more of a sideway market for India as well. And I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Yesterday, we have seen a sharp fall in the Nifty from 18,000 levels onwards, and it has just closed below all the intraday supports levels, say 17,900 levels, which gives a cautious sign. We have seen that the Nifty has touched a bit of 20 DMA, which comes to at around 70,840 levels and closed nearby that level itself. Going ahead, today, Nifty is likely to open on a flattish note, and we're likely to witness a sideways momentum during the day. On the technical front, the immediate support lies at 17,780. If it's break that level, then we are likely to witness this continuation of fall towards 17,700 to 17,600 levels. On the other side, 17,940 will be the immediate resistance level. Any more about that level, we again expect to touch the weight of 18,000, 18,100 levels. The view will remain cautious as long as Nifty trades below 18,000 psychological mark on the closing basis. Coming towards the Nifty, Bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, 41,000 is the first resistance level. Any more above that level, we likely to witness some pullback rally towards 41,200 levels. On the low side, 40,920, 40,500 levels are the immediate support level. Below that level, we are likely to see the extension of this fall towards 40,000 to 40 levels. Coming towards the Nifty Finance, 18,470, 18,630 are the resistance level. We need to keep eye on it. On the other side, 18,220, 18,130 are the support levels for the today intraday purpose on the Nifty Finance. The view will remain cautious on three indices as long as it sustains below the mentioned resistance level. Stock specific, we have seen that the it's a stock specific market, and even though the market was correcting, there are the few stocks which are really doing very well on the technical front. Now, TVS Motors really looks good on the technical side. Even though the market was correcting yesterday, this particular stock was up by 2.5% on the daily chart. Yesterday, we have initiated a buy call also. One can take a buy call at the current market price. The support is placed at around 119, sorry, target we are looking for 1190, and the support is placed at 1100 rupees. Another interesting stock on the technical front is Divi's Lab. Why we are recommending this particular counter? Because on the daily chart, we are witnessing that from the last few trading session, it was in the consolidation phase, and yesterday we have seen a very good amount of a pullback rally with the volumes. The interesting fact is that this particular stock was trading in a oversold zone, which indicates that the selling pressure is likely to be minimized, and we are likely to witness a pullback rally after a sharp fall from 3300 levels. So one can take a buy call at the current market price. To trade this pullback rally, stop loss can be kept at 2850, and we are looking for a target of 3000 levels in 1 to 2 trading session. That's it from my side. I request Amit to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. On the derivative front, as we are seeing that the heavy sell-off and short positions have been witnessed in yesterday trading session as per the OI party has been concerned. If we look at the overall data structure on the monthly basis and the next month, March series OI position also, it is indicating that the 17,800 to 17,750 level is a supportive base from the put writer front. Once that level is get broken on the downside on the closing basis, then the next support level, which as per the OI shifting is directly coming towards 17,500 to 17,400 level on the lower end. So 17,800 will act as an important supportive zone. While on the from the yesterday change, we have seen that at 17,900 to 18,100 strike, heavy call writer positions got added on. While at the 18,000 strike, almost 20 million position on the monthly basis call writer positions are there. So once if Nifty goes above 18,000 level, then only fresh buying momentum will be witnessed in the market in today's session or in the coming 1 to 2 trading session. If we expect any buying, that would be only the pullback session, but the fresh buying will be witnessed only above 18,000 strike. While PCR today, yesterday closed at 0.74 level, PCR is having downside support at 0.68 level. Once if PCR manages to hold that support, then we might expect some pullback in the PCR towards 0.82 to 0.88 level. So in today's first half, we might expect some pullback in the market towards 0.80 to 0.88 level of the PCR. Once it come near that level, then again we might witness some selling in the market till the time the OI positions from the call at the front is not getting liquidated or unwinded. Till that point of time, we might witness some cautious momentum in the market. So hold a long position with the support of 17,800 level. Once if that gets broken, then exit from the long positions and create a new short position. As per the stock specific, we expect Metropolis, LTTS, and Deepak United. These three counter has shown some strong OI position in yesterday trading session. We expect the buying trend to be witnessed in next 1 to 2 trading session in this three counter. So that's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. We recently met the management of ICICI Bank at the institutional teams conference last week. Management is quite confident of business environment in terms of credit growth in the banking system, especially for the retail and SME segment, where the volume has held up well in January and Feb. However, in the corporate segment, they said there was some slowdown that is expected in various sectors as capex has been happening, but the pace has slowed down a bit in the months of Jan and Feb. So overall, we remain positive on ICICI Bank. GR Infra Projects has emerged as L1 bidder for 2 ropeway projects on HAM basis in Uttarakhand. The total value of both the projects is 3,600 crores. So this is positive for GR Infra. Thank you.
Good morning. Domestic air passenger traffic for the month of January has come in at 125.43 lakh, which has declined by 1.5% as compared to last month. However, improved by 97.2% as compared to last month same year. Indigo has lost market share, which came in at 54.6% versus last month of 54.9% versus last month of same year at 55.5%. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. ACC and Ambuja will resume their operations at Gagal and Darlagat plants in Himachal Pradesh from today. These plants had been shut from mid-December due to disagreement on freight rates with operators. The shutdown of these plants had impacted 10% of consolidated volumes, and with the restart of these plants, along with the busy season and price hikes, profitability is likely to improve in Q4 FY23. So this is positive for the company. Thank you.
So I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. Today we expect prices to witness some bounce back in gold and silver, especially. Gold one can initiate along around 57,100 and 56,100 and maintain a stop loss of 55,850. On higher end, we expect prices to test 56,400 to 600 levels. Silver also expected to test 66,200, 66,500. So buying is recommended around 65,500 levels and maintain a stop loss of 64,800. Crude oil, we expect some profit taking. We had seen yesterday prices testing 64.50, and as mentioned yesterday, which was the resistance zone. So we expect prices to correct again till 63.30, 6300 on lower end. So selling is recommended, and one can maintain a stop loss of 64.70. Natural gas prices are trading below the support area of 195, and we expect prices to correct and test maybe 175, 170. So a pullback should be used as a selling or a selling point. In copper, we expect 777 a good support area, and we expect fresh buying coming in if sustains above 777. So buy with a stop loss of 774 and we expect fresh buying if prices are sustaining above 781, then we expect prices to test 788 levels again. Similarly, zinc also, the March contract, we expect buying to come in around 274. So buy with a stop loss of 272, and prices are expected to test 280 on higher end. Uh, Similarly, aluminum also, we expect prices to test 217.18. So buying is expected around 211 and maintain a stop loss of 209. In currency front, prices are consolidating in a range. So USD INR, we expect the upside resistance at 83 to 83.10, which is a stiff resistance, and on lower end, 80 to 60 is the supportive area. So prices are expected to consolidate in this range, and one should trade in the range or wait for a breakout, either ways. Uh, okay, that's it from us. Thank you very much.